Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to connect your 8BitDo Ultimate 2C controller to a Mac. First, make sure your Mac has Bluetooth turned on. Click the Apple icon in the top left, choose System Settings, then go to Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on and leave this window open so you can see available devices. Now pick up your 8BitDo Ultimate 2C controller. If the controller is off, press the home button to turn it on. You will see the lights blink. If it does not turn on, make sure the controller has enough battery. Next, you need to put the controller into pairing mode. On the controller, find the pair button. Press and hold this button for about 3 seconds until the LED starts blinking fast. This blinking means the controller is ready to pair. The controller must be in Bluetooth mode when pairing with your Mac. Make sure you have set the mode switch to Bluetooth if your controller has one. Go back to your Mac. In the Bluetooth settings, you should now see a device called something like 8BitDo Ultimate 2C or wireless controller appear in the list of nearby devices. When you see it, click on it to start pairing. Once connected, you can close the Bluetooth settings. Your controller should now work in games or apps that support gamepads. Thanks for watching.